it's Sarah Clay and it's Monday, so it's Post Idea Day. Every Monday I post an idea for you to post about something on LinkedIn, so you'll get at least one post a week. This week I want you to think about awareness days. Awareness days, you know, those days where there's a cause or an object or an emotion that you focus on that particular day. Okay, so if you talk about awareness days, you're going to join the conversations and you're going to encourage other people to join the conversations on your feed on LinkedIn surrounding that awareness day. Okay, so there's some rules. There are 4 I have, so please listen up because awareness day posts should be used with caution. Number 1, only talk about an awareness day if it's relevant to you and your brand. So I used to have a social media agency running social media for a lot of hospitality outlets, and National Burger Day, Milkshake Day, Coffee Day. They were all really relevant, but now I wouldn't give them 1 minute's thought. Okay. Number 2, don't overdo it. If you talk about every single awareness day that may be relevant, people will get bored. So make sure you don't overdo it and talk about too many awareness days. Don't be too obscure either, rule number 3. Sometimes there's some really crazy obscure awareness days that have sort of originated in a tiny little place in the middle of nowhere. Don't be too weird and obscure. Be mainstream with awareness days, okay? And number 4 is make sure you get the name and the hashtag of the awareness day absolutely correct. Because if you get it wrong, you're not going to be able to join those conversations. If you like this post, if you like this idea, please head over to my profile and click the little bell beneath my banner, and also follow my hashtag, which is LinkedIn Simplified, for more tips and tricks in your feed. Have a great week. See ya. Bye.